Hello, YouTube friends and family. As promised, my Nama J2 Juicer people, I am doing a $25 a week haul for my juicing supplies. I am going to Aldi's for this. So, we do have an Aldi. I'm in Jacksonville, Florida. And the flat leaf spinach. I got 2 bags of spinach for $1.49 each. I have 2 whole big old pineapples. They were $1.85 each. I bought them kind of green so they have a chance to ripen over the week. I got a bag of Mandy's. This is 3 pounds of Mandy's for, let me see, what were they? Did he forget to ring them? Oh, no, $2.99. They are on sale this week. I got 2 pounds of red seedless grapes for $4. I have, and I hate that I'm not growing this. I'm going to have to get my hydroponics started. I have some mint, because I'm going to make this energy juice. So I have some mint that was $1.29. I have celery. I bought 2 celeries, 95 cents. And I'm going to stay to the end because I'm going to talk to y'all about something. I got 3 cucumbers. They were 95 cents a piece. Makes for great juices. I have a whole bag of apples. This is Red Delicious. And it is 3 pounds. 3 pounds of apples. It's a lot of food. It's piling up on this table. 3 pounds of apples for $3.19. So that's a good deal. And let me get my celery back up. I'm running out of space. And again, I'm going to talk to y'all about this. So this big old bag was full of produce. I got carrots. What's that? 2 pounds of carrots. And this is plenty for juicing for a whole week. And I'm going to do shorts with some of the recipes, if not all of them. But the carrots were $1.39, I believe. Yeah, $1.39. So all this produce for juicing this week was only a grand total of $24.29 for all this produce. And it doesn't say the number of items, does it? All this produce. And that will provide juice for a week. Now I spent under $25 for a week of juicing produce. I will say they had no kale in the stores. Something like that would have probably thrown me over budget. But luckily I have a little bit growing in the backyard if I choose to use kale this week. And like I say, I need to get my hydroponics started so I can have me some greens. Because the greens are the expensive thing. You can get the weekly sales on fruit. But then I have this other haul because I separated it. I spent $21 and the little bit I got, I was like, whatever. So this was $2.49 because it's Christmas clearance. So I got that for next year. It's a little rug, pretty little rug. And I'm just going to sit this on the rug. Talk about me if y'all will. Seaweed snacks, they were like $1.99. And I'm just buying cheeses, y'all. I just needed cheeses so cameraman can make his grilled cheeses in the morning. So these were $1.79, $1.89 each. I bought 4 cheeses. I bought this risotto mix. And it's a roasted garlic risotto. Some orange juice. Another block of cheese. Some tea because I was thirsty and still hadn't drank it. Might actually drink that next. And some crescent rolls. That little old bit of pile of stuff was $21. I'm going to eat what I grow in produce. Because if you could get all this produce for $24, $29 versus this little pile right here for $21. That's sad. That's sad, but that's where we at right now. I want to remind you all to prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I will soon do a garden update. I am still growing food. I have 2 oranges growing out there that I'm a juice for y'all too. So I can use that in this week's juices if I need an orange versus a mandarin. But these mandarins are going to get used too. We got to make better choices around here now. I was just amazed at how much produce I got for $25 versus the other bull for $21. Prep and pray. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Follow me for these weekly hauls in the new year. I'm going to juice as long as possible. Every week, I will do a $25 Aldi haul with my juice ingredients and my juices. So, y'all going to hold me accountable, and I'm going to keep y'all going too. My Nama J2 people, come on, hit that subscribe button and hit a like button. I look forward to the new year, spending time with y'all. You have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.